Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Did you know this AI tool can actually create some seriously insane images? And no, I'm not talking about those blurry, messed up photos we've all seen before. I'm talking about clean, futuristic, next level visuals that actually look professional and stand out. This AI literally takes things to another level. You can create insane, high quality images that look sharp, detailed, and visually impressive. So honestly, don't ever feel like you can't try this out. Because with this tool, you can easily create stunning images and even professional cinematic videos that look like they took hours to make. I'm telling you, this is one of those tools you don't want to sleep on. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and check it out, try it for yourself, and start creating something crazy. And yeah, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more content like this. So guys, this is basically the AI tool we've been talking about. As you can see, there are already a lot of videos created by other users exploring the platform. You can take your time, scroll through, and just look around to really understand what people are doing with it. You'll notice some really impressive models in here. If you head over to the video section, you'll see a bunch of clean, high-quality videos created using different models. Everything looks polished and honestly very professional. Let me quickly show you what it can do. For example, if you take a look at some of these videos, you'll see how clean and detailed they are. The output is actually very impressive. So without wasting too much time, let's go ahead and create our own model step by step. First, click on the model section. Once you do that, it's going to take you to this very clean and simple interface. This is where we'll be creating our model for today. Now from here, you have a couple of options. You can either use the AI generated options or upload your own content. Personally, I prefer uploading my own because I already have a specific person in mind that I want to use as my model. So go ahead and click on the upload button. Then scroll through your files and select the image or video of the model you want to use. Once you click on it, it will start uploading directly to the server. One thing I really like about APOB AI is how clean and realistic the models come out. The results are usually very sharp and visually appealing. A lot of people are using tools like this for content creation, especially in the influencer space, where visuals matter a lot. All right, so for this example, we're gonna name our model Eva. Just type in the name, keep it simple. Once you're done, go ahead and click on Create Model. And just like that, your model has been created successfully. Now, moving forward, let's explore what we can actually do with this model. You'll notice there are different sections available here, and each one serves a specific purpose. For example, you have the generate video option, you have image to video, and a few other useful tools. There's also the edit video section, which allows you to modify videos using your model. You'll see options like text to video, extend video, and even adding subtitles. So you have a lot of flexibility here depending on what you want to create. Now, let's try something simple. We're gonna use a basic prompt just to show you how this works. For example, we can type something like, create a video of her, or create a video using my model. Keep it very simple. You don't need anything complicated here. Once you run that, it's gonna generate something like a clean model portrait, almost like a profile style output. And as you can see, the result actually looks really good. The details, the lighting, the overall quality, everything looks well put together. You can clearly see how polished and futuristic the model looks. The AI really does a good job at refining the output and making it visually appealing. Now, if you like the result, you can go ahead and download it. But for now, let's move forward and create an actual video. So first, click on the upload button again and select the model we just created earlier. Once you select it, it will upload into the interface. After that, all you need to do is type in a simple prompt. And when I say simple, I mean really simple. You don't need to overthink it. You don't need anything too complex. Just something like, create a video of her. That's literally enough to get started. But if you want, you can go further and make the model perform actions, like speaking or doing specific movements. Once you're done with your prompt, click on the Generate button. Give it a little bit of time, and the AI will process everything and create your video. Now, as you can see, the final result looks really clean. The quality is solid and everything comes together nicely. If you're satisfied with it, you can just hit the download button and save it directly to your device. A lot of creators and influencers use tools like this to generate content quickly and consistently, especially when it comes to visuals and short form videos. So honestly, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and try this out for yourself and see what you can create with it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. I'll be dropping more tutorials showing you different tools, different methods, and how you can level up your content using AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.